書き食えば鐘が鳴るなり法隆寺
This haiku is one of the masterpieces by Shiki Masaoka, the great poet who laid the foundation for modern Japanese haiku. It captures a single fleeting moment during the Meiji era when Shiki visited Nara. Resting near Horyuji Temple, he took a bite of a sweet persimmons. The sensory experience of the persimmon's vibrant orange color and sweetness, sight and taste, connects with the auditory experience of the bell's chime, uniting time and space in a single moment. The core of this verse lies in the profound emotion of a moment where the simple joy of the everyday harmonizes unexpectedly with the majesty of eternal history. The poet succeeded in expressing this authentic, unadorned scene deeply and richly within the mere 17 syllables of 5, 7, and 5.